This is your top of the line Class 11. So this is available with the Excelsius technology, which is identical to the Excelsius technology on the Class 9. The difference is the settings are all done from the touchscreen interface. Class 11 has a shot timer, as you see here on the touchscreen. All your adjustments on the machine are made from the touchscreen. You can see how many times the machine's been cleaned, how many drinks the machine's made. Class 11 utilizes the same 4T program as the Class 9, with the exception that you have 3 separate buttons. So you have 3 different settable hot water temperatures. Your steam ones, we utilize what's called a C lever, fast tap, spring load in the down position, locked in the up position. If the twist style are preferred, that is an option you can get. So you can still get it with the old style twist if you so desire. This does have a video capability, so videos can be uploaded through its USB, so it can show promotional videos or training videos. The Excelsius enables you to not only set a stable flatline temperature, but you can set the starting temperature and the ending temperature, and they can be different, therefore creating a profile. So once you find the profile, you lock it in, and then it's set and it's repeatable. If you wanted to change it, he goes to Excelsius, Group 1, boom, now he can change it. If you want to go to Group 2, Group 2, Group 3. This one's set at a profile, a down profile, starting at 201 and dropping down to 199. Pre-infusion is built into the system. Pre-infusion being the adding of water to help soak the ground so you get a more even extraction before full pressure is applied. Shot timer, we're up to 24 seconds. Located right here.